Jennifer Lawrence once almost died during a flight on a private jet. The Hunger Games actress was convinced she was going to die on board the plane and felt guilt for her dog, also on the flight. Jennifer, 31, recalls the terrifying incident in a new interview with Vanity Fair, where the pregnant star also opens up about the never-ending trauma of having her private nude photographs leaked. The pregnant star was flying from her hometown of Louisville, Kentucky to New York City with her brothers in September 2017, when one of the two engines failed on a private jet. "I know, flying private, I deserve to die," she quipped when remembering the incident during her chat with the publication. The star, who is expecting her first child with husband Cook Maroney, goes on to admit she was resigned to the fact she would die during the flight. She recalls, "My skeleton was all that was left in the seat. We were all just going to die." "I started leaving little mental voicemails to my family, you know, I've had a great life, I'm sorry." Jennifer then explains how she began to pray to an unspecific God as she feared for her life. "Oh, my God, maybe we'll survive this. I'll be a burn victim. This will be painful, but maybe we'll live," she painfully reminisces. "Please, Lord Jesus, let me keep my hair. Wrap me in your hair-loving arms. Please don't let me go bald." After thankfully surviving the engine failure, Jennifer was then forced to board another plane, but not without the aid of a pill and a strong drink. The Oscar-winning actress admits, "The ordeal made me a lot weaker," and claims flying is still an horrific experience for her. Elsewhere in the interview, the mum-to-be also touched on the eternal trauma of the 2014 iCloud leak, which saw her private images become public on the internet. Jennifer and a host of other stars were left traumatized when hackers broke into her iCloud and posted nude photos online on August 31, 2014. "Anybody can go look at my naked body without my consent, any time of the day," she candidly explains to the publication. "Somebody in France just published them. My trauma will exist forever." Earlier this year, it was revealed that the star is currently expecting her first child with husband Cook Maroney, an art gallery director. Jennifer's representatives confirmed the happy news in September this year, but has remained relatively quiet about her pregnancy since. Speaking in her new interview, the mum-to-be touched on her desire to keep her unborn child away from the spotlight. "If I was at a dinner party, and somebody was like, 'Oh, my God, you're expecting a baby,' I wouldn't be like, 'God, I can't talk about that. Get away from me, you psycho,'" she admits. But every instinct in my body wants to protect their privacy for the rest of their lives, as much as I can. I don't want anyone to feel welcome into their existence. And I feel like that just starts with not including them in this part of my work. Read the full cover story, A Happy New Year by Karen Velby, in Vanity Fair's December issue and on VanityFair.com. Or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.